Are you holding on to grudges that weigh you down? They won't like me for sharing this, but holding on to resentment is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to suffer. It eats away at your happiness and peace of mind. Here's the solution: acknowledge your feelings. Seriously, just sit with them for a moment. Then make the bold decision to forgive. Not for them, but for you. Forgiveness is freedom. It lightens your emotional load and makes room for joy and positivity. Here's an extra tip: write down what you're feeling. Sometimes seeing it on paper helps you let go. And remember, forgiving doesn't mean forgetting or excusing. It just means you're choosing peace over pain. For the complete solution, click the link in my bio. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's support each other on this journey to a better tomorrow.